So this video is going to be about proportions, and for the first example we have 3 over t equals 7 over 10. So if we're going to solve for t, then we can manipulate this a couple different ways. For me, I like to have t by itself on the top. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by t, and the t is going to go away here because we're going to multiply by t, and t over t is 1. So we're going to be left with 3 equals 7t over 10. And then what we're going to do, well, let's just write this over here. So it's going to be 3 equals 7 over 10 times t. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, to get t by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 7 over 10. So if we're going to divide by 7 over 10, that means we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to multiply by 10 over 7. So we're going to multiply both sides by 10 over 7. And you can see here that the 10 and the 10 crosses out. That just becomes 1. And then the 7 and the 7, same thing. 7 over 7 is 1. And then we're going to multiply this side by 10 over 7. Getting a little cramped. Alright, and we're going to be left with t all by itself. T equals 10 times 3 is 30. 30 over 7. Alright, so next question, we're going to do something similar. Now we're going to multiply a on both sides, so we're going to have 12 over 7a, and that's going to be equal to 11. And then we're going to multiply both sides by 7 over 12, or divide by 12 over 7, because this 12 over 7 is multiplied by a, so we have 12 over 7 times a. So we're going to divide by 12 over 7, or multiply by 7 over 12, same thing. So multiply by 7 over 12, and that just goes away because that becomes 1. And we're left with a equals, now 11 times 7 is 77, and then 12. Alright, so the next question is going to be a little quicker because we already have the n on top. So we're just going to multiply both sides by 3. So we're going to have 3 times 9 over 7. This is times, equals n. And that's also going to be the same as 3 times 9 is 27 over 7. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to multiply both sides by 10. So we're going to have z equals 3 over 7 times 10. And that equals, 3 times 10 is 30 over 7. Okay, in this one we have the k on top, so we're just going to multiply. So it's k divided by 7. We're going to do k times 7 on both sides to get rid of that 7 over here. So we're going to have k equals then 8 over 11 times 7. And that's going to be 8 times 7 is 56 over 11. Alright, so hopefully that helped you out. If you have any questions, just let me know.